Hey everyone! Welcome back to Xeratrix, your go-to place for tech tips, tutorials, and how-to-os. If you've ever wanted to trim or cut parts of a video without downloading a complicated editor, you're in luck. Today, I'll show you exactly how to cut videos using VLC Media Player right on your Windows PC, and yes, it's super easy and free. Let's dive in. Before we proceed to the tutorial, let's understand, what is VLC? VLC Media Player isn't just for watching movies. It's a powerful tool that can do a lot more, including trimming your videos. And the best part? It's free, open source, and works on almost any type of file. Now, let's proceed to the tutorial. Step 1. Open VLC Media Player. First, launch VLC Media Player. If you don't have it yet, download it from videolan.org. It's free and safe. Step 2. Enable Advanced Controls. Now, go to the View menu and click on Advanced Controls. This will add extra buttons just above the play button, including the red record button we'll use in a moment. Step 3. Open your video file. Next, open the video you want to cut. Just click Media, Open File, and select your video. Step 4. Play and record the section you want. Now here's the key part. Move the playhead to the starting point of the section you want to cut. Hit the record button, then hit play. Step 5. Find your trimmed clip. VLC will automatically save the trimmed clip in your videos folder on Windows. And you'll see the new clip there. Quick tips and notes. Here are a few quick tips to make the process smoother. VLC records in real time, so the trimmed video will only be as long as you let it play. Make sure to note the exact starting and ending points to get clean cuts. You can trim multiple clips from the same video by repeating the process. And that's it. You've just learned how to cut videos using VLC Media Player. No fancy software needed, no complicated steps, just a simple, free method that works. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on future tutorials. Got any questions or want to see more VLC tips? Drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep creating.